You know, looking back over the year, that should have been done. And I'm hesitant to do the garden until that those patio stones are in place where they're going to be, because I don't want to be adjusting the wall over there after. So I'd rather have that as a starting point. As well, in that corner over there, the patio seems to slope down there, so we're going to have water accumulating there, which I don't want. I was hoping to have that done this year, but it is what it is. But this area, we're just going to put the railing up, put up all the little things we have, like the telescope and a little oar or wheel. And I'd like to put that rock climbing thing, or at least the mesh bridge for the kids. It'll be nice for them to climb up that. But yeah, I'll see where it's gonna go. This is different than what we initially thought we were going to do. Although we're not where I thought we were going to be, I'm pretty happy with the progress that we've made. This play area here is just phenomenal for the kids. So, and this took a lot of time. We do have some finishing to do inside the playhouse, not because we have to, but because we choose to. So we'll see how it wears through the winter. But I'm really happy about this. Those boards over there on the other side, at first I didn't like them because it kind of closed off the openness to the lake. But with the kids playing here, I like it, because in the summer, that's been our go-to place to eat lunch, the little eating area there, to have snacks and that sort of thing. And with that being closed off, it's just so private. You only see people coming by here because the bay is quite busy in the summer. So this is all excellent. Yeah, so lots of progress, a little less than I was anticipating, but that's all good. I just want to be able to have a summer nearby where I'm just going to come and veg the whole summer long. So this area here, probably not going to get to next year. We'll see. What we have to do is the deck. Yeah, we have to do the deck. We can't put it off because we can't use it now because the guy, yeah, it's shifting forward and it's lifted. So I'm just hoping that it makes it through the winter. Yeah, so next year now I have to do that. And then the deck, we have to finish inside. For me, I can do those things when I'm here at the gardening. It's the big stuff that I can't. So now with my jigsaw, I can do some of the cutting, but I wouldn't venture that for the deck because, yeah, we have to have straight cuts and the jigsaw is not always accurate.